Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we'll continue to see about chain rule using different examples. Let's take an input function y is equal to square root of x cube plus 6x. Now let's try to understand how to apply chain rule for this function. I can look at this function like this. Y is equal to x cube plus 6x the whole power half. Now we have an idea of what to substitute as t, isn't it? So t is going to be equal to x cube plus 6x. Now let us calculate the dy by dt for this particular expression, because this is nothing but d by dt of t to the power half. Because this whole expression is t, so the root is becoming the power half. Now differentiation of this is nothing but half to the power t minus half. Okay, I can write this as half, and the t to the power minus half, I'm bringing it to the denominator. So I'm going to write this as 1 by 2 root 2. Now let us move on to the calculation of dt by dx. This is nothing but d by dx of the t in this case is x cube plus 6x. So now let's differentiate the x cube. X cube is nothing but differentiation fetches 3x square. Differentiation of 6x fetches a 6. Now let's write the final answer. So this is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 into 3x squared plus 6. So I can simplify this as 3x squared plus 6 divided by 2 into root of x cube plus 6x. We will take another input example to calculate the chain root for that input. Let's take an input y is equal to cos of root x. So now let's assume root x to be t so that you can get a decent input function. So y is going to be cos t, where t is equal to root x. Now let's calculate dy by dt, which is d by dt of cos t. So we know the differentiation of cos t is minus sine t. Now let's calculate the d by dx of t, which is nothing but root x. This is nothing but d by dx of x power half. So we know how to differentiate this. This is 1 by 2 x to the power minus half. This is 1 by 2 root x. Now let's substitute that in the input formula so that we get dy by dx. So dy by dx is nothing but minus sine t into 1 by 2 root x. Applying this particular formula of writing it in products. So let's simplify. This is going to be minus sine of, replace the t with the actual value, which is root x, divided by 2 root x. So this is the final value of differentiation of cos of root x. In the next video, I'll come back again for chain rule with another example.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.